Bobby, how's life out on the road?
Well, let me tell you, Trucker Curtis, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I enjoy it. As far as being a trucker out on the road, it's a lifestyle. It is a lifestyle. It's not something that you just think, oh, I want to be a tourist, jump out, see America, get it up. That's not what it's all about. It's a lifestyle out here.
Yeah, you gotta have skin for it.
You gotta have skin for it. You know, if you want to do the over the road like I do, you gotta prepare to be out here for at least a month at a time, at least.
What's the money like?
The money now, if you're not careful, you can get duped into a company where you're only going to make about 40, maybe 50,000 a year.
Oh damn.
And there's companies out there that's what they do. 34,000, 40,000. But now you can get with companies like Walmart, and they pay. The last I heard was 70,000 a year, but that was before this last pay increase. Now it's supposed to be over 100,000 a year for company drivers.
I think you gotta have like 30 months experience for Walmart.
30 or 36, something like that. You can't jump straight into it. You pretty much have to go with Swifty Swift, you know, Covenant,
Prime.
Schneider, Prime. When you're first starting out, you pretty much have to go with the big companies like that. You can't just jump into the smaller companies like what I work with.
Definitely agree on that. What would be your top 3 tips to new truckers getting in the game?
Let's see. First of all, always watch your mirrors, both sides. When you're going forward, when you're going backward. Never think that you've gotten too smart for it out here, and relax and stop paying attention, because once you do, you're going to make a mistake. I made a mistake just a few days ago. I've been doing this since 1999. Made a mistake just a few days ago. We'll go into that later. And then let's see. Number 3, I would say do your homework on what company you go with, because there are trucking companies out here that will take advantage of you if you let them.
I agree.
So do your homework with whoever it is that you go for. Make sure you got a good trucking GPS. Learn how to read your maps.
Well, any particular trucking GPS you recommend?
I use 2. Now I use one off my phone when I'm not live streaming. I always live streams, but when I'm not live streaming, I will use the one on my phone. It's Smart Trucker app.
Okay.
Smart Trucker app. It's very good. Smart Trucker app. I'm sorry. Very good. It gives you detailed along your way without having to go in and look for it. It just pops it up of truck stops, Walmarts that you can park at, rest areas, all the information. It just pops it up along your route. You don't have to go searching for it.
I'm gonna have to check that one out.
Rand McNally is what I use. Now that one's a good one for the fact that if you needed to go 30 miles, you know, down this road right here, and this is a no truck road or not a very good truck road, Rand McNally's good about getting you around it. They may take you out of the way, but it keeps you out of trouble from getting on the small roads and stuff.
Yeah. All right, Bobby, where can people find you?
Ride Along Gang.
Ride Along Gang.
Every day.
I'll have him linked down below for you guys.
Appreciate it. Curtis,
Cool.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you for coming out and chatting with me. I do appreciate that.
Thank you for stopping by. Welcome to Yakima.
Yakima. There you go.
Yakima.